Welcome to Winner's Bench. The Best Loved Birds Lego is probably one of the most charming and delightful additions to the Lego Botanical collection, offering a unique blend of intricate design and playful aesthetics that appeals to both seasoned Lego builders and those new to the hobby, making it a perfect centerpiece for any display or a thoughtful gift for someone special. Number 5. Lego Botanicals Bonsai Tree Building Set 10281. Introducing the Lego Botanical Collection's Bonsai Tree. This unique set offers a mindful building experience for adults, bringing a touch of nature indoors. Part of the exclusive Lego Botanical Collection, this set is designed for adult builders. It provides a relaxing and rewarding creative escape. You can customize its appearance with either classic green leaves or vibrant pink cherry blossom blooms. Arrange them to create your own unique display. This model is thoughtfully crafted, featuring elements made from plant-based plastic derived from sustainably sourced sugarcane. It's a beautiful addition to your decor. Looking for a unique gift? This set makes an excellent present for birthdays, holidays, or any special occasion. It's a thoughtful choice for anyone who appreciates creativity and nature. Once built, it becomes a stunning piece of home decor. Display it on a table, desk, or office shelf for an elegant, artificial plant that never needs watering. What we like? This set offers a unique and mindful building experience with interchangeable leaves, allowing for custom arrangements. If you are looking for a calming activity and a beautiful, long-lasting decoration for your home or office, this is the perfect choice. It's ideal for adults who appreciate nature and enjoy a creative, hands-on project. What people say. The level of detail in this set is mind-blowing. The intricate branches, the delicate cherry blossom blooms, and the meticulously designed base, every aspect has been thoughtfully crafted to resemble a real bonsai tree. The set comes with an alternate set of pink blossoms, allowing me to switch between a springtime bloom and a more subtle green leafy look. The versatility of the design is a fantastic feature that lets me tailor the tree to my mood and the changing seasons. The frog secret. My favorite detail is the pink cherry blossoms. When you look closely, they are actually tiny pink Lego frogs. It's a quirky, very Lego touch that my son thought was hilarious. Number 4. Lego Botanicals Flower Bouquet 10280. Unleash your creativity with this unique building set. Craft a stunning bouquet of artificial flowers that will never wilt. Experience the first ever Lego artificial flower bouquet, meticulously designed with realistic petal shapes and vibrant colors. It's the perfect way to add a touch of nature to your home decor. Customize your creation with posable petals and adjustable stems. Design unique arrangements that reflect your personal style or create a memorable gift. Looking for a thoughtful present? This botanical collection is a wonderful alternative to real flowers, perfect for birthdays, anniversaries, or any special occasion. Discover more from the Lego Botanical Collection, featuring other exquisite sets like the Wildflower Bouquet and Orchid. Expand your display of nature-inspired builds. With 756 pieces, including 15 stems with diverse flower and leaf varieties, you can build a vibrant display. The longest stem measures over 14 inches, offering impressive scale. Create a vibrant display that lasts forever. This set allows your imagination to bloom, offering a beautiful, everlasting decoration for any space or celebration. What we like? This set provides a stunning and vibrant display of artificial flowers that never wither, offering a creative alternative to real blooms. If you love the beauty of flowers but want a lasting decoration or a unique gift that doesn't require maintenance, this is for you. It's perfect for those who enjoy arranging and displaying beautiful pieces in their home. What people say. The lovebirds are very cute and detailed. The set is a great addition to the Lego Botanical Collection. It's a beautiful display piece that looks great on a shelf. Number 3. Lego Ideas 21319 Central Perk Building Kit. Step back in time to the iconic Central Perk Cafe, recreated in Lego bricks. This set is packed with authentic details to spark hilarious memories from the classic Friends TV show. Unbox a buildable Central Perk studio, complete with Ross, Rachel, Chandler, Monica, Joey, Phoebe, and Gunther minifigures. They come with cool accessories for role-playing your favorite scenes. This 1,070-piece collectible toy offers a rewarding building experience for adults aged 16 and up. It's the perfect Friends memorabilia gift for fans, whether you build solo or with loved ones. Compatible with existing LEGO construction toys, bricks, and characters, you can create your own unique mashup models and stories. Let your imagination run wild with endless possibilities. Measuring over 4 inches high, 11 inches wide, and 8 inches deep, this colorful gift makes a big impression. Display it proudly in any room or office to showcase your love for the show. What we like. This set recreates the iconic Central Perk Cafe, complete with beloved characters from the classic Friends TV show. If you're a fan of the show and enjoy nostalgic builds or displaying memorable pop culture items, this is a must-have. It's perfect for adults who want to relive their favorite moments and showcase their fandom. What people say. The attention to detail is incredible. From the orange couch to the stage lights, everything screams Central Perk. The minifigs are spot on. Joey even has his man bag, and building the set was both relaxing and nostalgic. With 1,070 pieces, this set is packed with intricate details and fun references that perfectly capture the charm of the Central Perk Cafe. The build process was enjoyable and engaging, with clever design techniques that bring the famous coffee shop to life. From the iconic orange couch to the detailed counter area and the stage where Phoebe sings Smelly Cat, every element feels authentic and nostalgic. The attention to detail is fantastic, with small touches like the menu board, the coffee machine, and even the reserved sign on the couch. The set includes 7 minifigures: Ross, Rachel, Chandler, Monica, Joey, Phoebe, and Gunther, each with unique accessories that reflect their characters perfectly. Their outfits and expressions are spot on, making them a great addition for both display and play. The details are great. The coffee mugs, cookies, flowers, and the fact that you can turn the store's Central Perk sign either way is very fun. The couch with rug just sits loosely in there once it's built, so you can easily pull that out if you want. Number 2. LEGO Star Wars Millennium Falcon Microfighter 75295. Embark on an exciting adventure with this quick-to-build LEGO Microfighters version of the iconic Millennium Falcon. Young builders can recreate epic scenes from the classic Star Wars trilogy. This incredible model features a seat for a minifigure and 2 stud shooters, perfect for imaginative play. It even comes with a blaster pistol for thrilling battles. Combine this set with other microfighters for even more play possibilities. Imagine the epic adventures you can create by merging different sets. This durable and easy-to-build toy is an ideal birthday present or holiday gift. It's a fun surprise for any creative child aged 6 and up. Its compact size makes it easy to take anywhere. Slip it into a backpack and let the adventures begin, wherever you go. What we like. This set offers a quick and fun build of the iconic Millennium Falcon, perfect for young Star Wars fans to engage in creative play. If you're looking for an affordable and engaging gift for a child who loves Star Wars and enjoys action-packed adventures, this is an excellent option. It's ideal for sparking imagination and reenacting favorite movie scenes. What people say. It took me and my son about 20 to 30 minutes of reading instructions, sorting, and assembling together. This is perfectly scaled down and nicely fits on a bookshelf. Very easy to build and is fun to play with. This was a fun little build, very well put together and surprisingly accurate. Number 1. LEGO Dots Love Birds Bracelet 41912. Ignite your child's passion for DIY with this charming bracelet kit. It comes with an adjustable band and colorful tiles, ready for immediate decorating fun. Kids can explore their creativity and self-expression by decorating the bracelet. They can follow the suggested patterns or invent their own unique designs. The vibrant tiles are perfect for creating with. They can be used with other sets or even with the extra dots, Series 1 pack for added flair and cool icons. This awesome set is ideal for any child aged 6 and up who loves arts and crafts. It makes a thrilling gift that any child will adore. Measuring over 7 inches long, this bracelet offers a fantastic canvas for young designers. They can practice their skills and proudly wear their personalized creations. What we like. This set allows kids to design and create their own unique, wearable art with a customizable bracelet and colorful tiles. If your child loves DIY crafts and expressing their creativity through jewelry, this is a fantastic choice. It's perfect for young designers aged 6 and up who enjoy hands-on activities and personalizing their accessories. What people say. Easy to build and kids can choose what they want on the bracelet. Thankfully, LEGO includes lots of spares. Bands are good quality material. Daughter has had hers for a few months and it looks great still. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.